In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily get rid of keyboard noise on OBS microphone. So here under sources, I added my microphone as an input device. Now to remove my keyboard typing sound, I'm just right clicking on my microphone and selecting filters. So we are going to add two filters to remove keyboard sounds from our microphone. So here just click on this plus icon and select noise suppression. Now click on this method drop down and select your noise suppression method. So the best option is this RN noise, good quality, more CPU usage. Or you can select specs, low CPU usage, low quality. If you select this option, then suppression level set between -30 to -15. And if you select this RN noise, will be the best option. And then again click on this plus icon to add another filter, this time add noise gate and click on OK. Close threshold, enter here -30 to -40 according to your keyboard sound, and open threshold around 30 dB. Attack time, select 25 ms, hold time 200 ms and release time 150 ms. And then test by speaking and pressing your keyboard keys. Adjust until only your voice activates the mic. Just click on close, and that's how you will be able to easily get rid of keyboard noise on your OBS mic.